Hi there. I'm working on my last project for the night. I thought I'd pop on. I'm hoping I have sound because last time it went off on me. It was working a little earlier, so let's see if it stays that way. I'm gonna bring it up here and see if I can check it. So you might hear a little bit for a minute. Let's see if I can hear myself. Let's see. Yep, I can hear myself. All right. So I started this project yesterday and I made the bowl already. And it's kind of the traditional with the truck, the Christmas tree, and the metal truck. So I have put that down. I have a 24-inch base, Evergreen, and it's the really nice one. It's got all different types of evergreen. Cut the tag off. So this one is the nice one from Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna fluff that out a bit. Oh, my cup's in here. So now you see my ribbon. I'm sorry. I got everything sitting here in the way. This is another project I'm working on. It's going to be a moon. So tomorrow probably I'll finish that one. This is my favorite base because of all the different greenery in it. When you come on, say hi. Let me know where you're from. Let me know if you can hear me. I have no idea why the last one's volume, why it muted it. I know Facebook has been funky this week, so for that maybe, I don't know. All right. And right now I see flickering, so I hope you can hear me. Hi there. Loud and clear. Wonderful. This is my favorite too. Let's hope that it stays loud and clear. So this one is getting a truck on it. This is the order for Judy. I have the bow that's going to go on there. This is quite a heavy truck. I'm hoping that I just have to do 2 of them. So I thought Diesel was coming downstairs with me. He doesn't have school until 11 tomorrow. But he actually went to bed with Daddy, which is amazing. I was drinking lemonade. It feels like it's stuck right at the top there, the acid from the lemon. It's so weird because the Facebook is like flickering. Hi, honey. What am I doing up? Yeah, this is the odd one for me, right? Diesel does know that he's student of the month, and he really does not care. That's kind of the mood he's in tonight, though. Proud mommy. So I got student of the month, and my son's a manager. I'm happy, Mom. Go on there. I figured I would get this done because tomorrow I have the moon to work on, and then I have some painting stuff to do. There that is. There's the bow. You'll have to let me know if I'm flickering on your end, because it's flickering really bad on my end. Like a weird flickering, like it's going on and then off. So I have got some long needle pine that I want to get on here. Oh, Christmas Expo. That sounds like fun. No flickering, huh? Weird. So even though I love the base the way it is, it still needs a little pine. Maybe the snowberries. Hi, Tracy. Christmas Expo sounds like fun, fun, fun. We have one coming up at a resort that's always beautiful. Bed. Yes, ladies, what are we doing up? We should be in bed. As soon as this wreath's done, I'm going to be in bed. That's the best place to watch from, the bed. So I'm going to get these clipped off and then stick them on. This was a Michaels pick. If you can't see the red tag there, it's a Michaels. You're playing video games. That does not surprise me, Angel. So Angel is my son, my oldest son. He was over here for dinner tonight. And I made him his least favorite meal, spaghetti. We're all old. Put some pretties in. Oh, that didn't last. Here comes little Diesel.
Hi.
Hi. You're not sleepy?
What?
You're not tired?
Yeah, but I sneaked away from Daddy.
He sneaked away his daddy out already.
Yeah, and he looked and he saw nobody in my bed. So, because I was in my bed and then I got out. Then I went under where Sparky was. Like I went down and then went out of the door. So I went out. And in my pajamas.
So these are kind of heavy, so I'm going to wrap a regular pine needle around it. Make it a little more secure. Tammy's on if you want to say hi. And your brother. And Tracy's here. You don't know her. Just say hi. Okay, now you gotta let Mama finish this.
Okay.
Okay? Oh, careful you don't knock the balls all over.
Okay. I do love you.
I love you too, little peanut.
Can I move this basket? Because I'm just on it.
Mm-hmm.
So then I set this stuff there.
Tammy says, hi, little man.
Hi, Tammy.
That one in. Tie it on for a little extra security. So this is my favorite base, but this is actually my favorite pine, the long needle, the snow on it. Yep, it is. It is a Michaels. I can show you what it started out like. That's what they look like. That is a Michaels one. It's from last year. The only thing I don't really like about it is these pine cones. They look real, but they're plastic, which is a shame because the rest of it's beautiful.
Mommy.
So the pine cones will go in the garbage, but I'll use everything else. Did I say that right? I'm not using the pine cones. They're going in the garbage. I don't know if I said that the correct direction, but get that one in. It is beautiful.
Yes, it is beautiful.
I could put one up under the truck too, so it looks like it's sitting on snow. These are your squeaking over there.
I know I am.
You know you are.
I can hear that.
So you know you're annoying me and you're still doing it? Yep. Get some pretties all the way around.
Yep.
I'd be really happy if they would add a few flocked, snowy ones in here. I'm going to get a little bit up into the bow here. So it looks like it's coming out of the bow. Past your bedtime. Have a good night, Tammy. Are you working in the morning? So let's get a little more of this. We have snow. I want another long one, so I'm going to cut another one. Cut a long one off here. I'd like one sticking out the top, kinda. So that it's kind of evenly all the way around the white. Get one in here. Tuck another one in here. There. So now I have berries. I'm going to add these red berries in. And I have a bunch of berries that I'm probably going to add. Bye, Tammy.
Bye, Tammy.
Here. That one's stuck a little bit.
Is Tammy doing it live too?
No, Tammy's going to bed.
Is Tammy watching you?
Tammy's going to bed.
But
Tammy was watching.
now she's in bed.
Yeah, she's going to bed. So I have some large berries I'm going to add in here.
Some Angel is on there too.
Angel probably went back to his video games.
No, the one on there.
The one on here is your brother Angel.
Oh.
Oh.
So
All
it's
right.
on.
So I'm going to get that
So
up
it's on.
under.
So it was phone, so hi, Angel.
So I have the large berries, I have some little berries, and some medium size. Not sure how many I'll get in there, but we will see. Yes, Tracy is still here.
Tracy's still here?
Yes, she's still here.
Huh?
Yay, we still have one here.
So,
Some berries.
not just Tracy?
Not the Tracy that you know. No. This Tracy is a friend of Tammy's. Not the Tracy that makes you your...
Daniel?
No. She says, hi, buddy.
Huh?
She said, hi. So I'm gonna... I think I'm gonna clip this one.
So now it's just that Tracy?
Yes, it's just that Tracy.
And nobody else?
I don't know. Not everybody talks.
No?
No, not everybody.
And some people do. Some people don't.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
So I'm saying it right?
Yes, you said it right.
Okay. I do love you.
I love you too, little peanut.
Me too, little mommy. I'm talking. And I love you too.
So there we got a little more. So I think I'm gonna switch now because I want to put some more ribbon in here, a little bit, kind of in here, I think.
What happened?
Oh, thank you for seeing that, baby.
I just saw that.
My phone, I gotta charge, just put my charger in just a second here. There we go. That would figure before my sound went out when I was live, and this time my battery's gonna go dead.
I'm saying hi to that other Tracy.
Yeah, that's nice of you. So let's get this in, and I'm just gonna use the pine needles to tie it in. Oh, don't put that up there, please.
Yeah, I just wanted to move this.
Drape that in. You can't take off with my supplies though, babe.
But if you need, I can tell you. If you need, then you can tell me.
Alright.
Then I can get it. No, the chair's so heavy.
So I'm going to go all the way around with this to make an outline. Traditional has been very popular so far this year, and I'm not usually one that uses traditional. Actually, Tammy's the traditional one. She does really, really well with picking all the traditional colors out. Let's get that one up a little more. Alright. And I'm not really measuring, I'm just looking to make sure they're about the same. They don't have to be exactly the same. I think this might, oh, got a few more here yet. And I think I'm going to take this up around the back just to make sure it's even. That way when the tall people, which is not me, when the tall people look at the wreath, they don't notice, oh, there's a bare spot on the top. Okay, so that'll be about enough. So that's the end of that. So I would like to add a little bit of the other birch end yet, but I think I'm just going to do a tail or two on the inside. Maybe I will do it a loop. So I'm making a loop and then I'm going to have the end sticking up. So there'll be a little tail in here. And then we'll do one more on the other side and do a little bit of, I think maybe a ball or two, a wooden ball ornament.
It looks like this one.
Yeah, that one or a snowy one. Let's see. Yeah, but I don't need them all, hon.
No, you just need one?
No.
What? Yeah or no?
Put in there, cut it off. There. So there's a dovetail. So this is how far we are. So far, that is how far we are. So, do you see any pine cones in that one, hon? I would like a pine cone or two.
A pine cone or two?
Mm-hmm. So I want to put a couple of these in yet,
See,
too.
2 pine cones on this one. But I see pine cones on this one.
I need that basket, honey. Please. I'm going to add that in down here. Add a little bit of more of a natural element to it.
There you go.
Thank you, Tracy. So we got 1 pine cone. See if we got a 2. Yep, we got 2 of them.
2 pine cones? I got it now.
I'm putting a good amount of glue on there.
You should hand it to me.
I need another ball. If you have one, a small one. Oh, berries are coming off there. Another pine cone in here.
I do have a small one, but it's not that color. Do you need this one or not?
Mm-mm.
No? That's the wrong color?
Yep, I would like a light colored one, if you have it.
I found one.
You found one? All right, a little one that works perfectly. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
So we're gonna get that one right in here.
Oh.
You got one more of the little ones?
Okay.
One more and I think we'll be good.
I don't.
These have been my favorite this year. I found them at Hobby Lobby. And then I found smaller ones these smaller ones were at Dollar General of all places. I was on vacation and we ran in there and I just happened to find 2 bags of them. They're little ones, a lot smaller than Hobby Lobby's. So there that is. I think we're good on the berries. Let me see your ones. So what do you think, Tracy? I love it. It's full of all the snowy goodies. Oh, we got a thumbs up from Diesel. All
Double
right.
thumbs up.
Double thumbs up, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that was a quick one tonight. I love it. So that is it for this one. I'll be back on tomorrow because I have this moon. This has been a project I've been working on for over a week now because it's something I've never done before. So that ought to be interesting. It was a custom order. But thank you, Tracy, for sticking around. I hope you have a good night. And this one's going to go... I'll post a picture of it in the morning. I've been taking all my pictures in the morning because there's no light down here in the darkness. Oh. Well, have a good night and thank you.